everything you've done so far. Today we've got
there goes a garbage can.
Warning coming out here.
Bye-bye garbage can. Da, 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 da. Well, you know what that means. Well, they put us in a tornado watch until 10 o'clock p.m. I think they skipped it down to 9 now. Latest radar loop here. Looks like they already had a tornado down by Sutton, which is to the west and southwest of us. And we're sort of just waiting to see how bad things are going to get. They put us in a moderate risk. I don't know what the Torcon value was on the Weather Channel, but we're just sitting by just to see what happens, if anything. Hopefully just a good dousing of some rain, a little bit of lightning, maybe even a little bit of hail, but that's it. We had a storm roll through this morning and blew some trees down in the northwestern part of town. So nothing happened up here, but even power was out for a little bit for them. So we'll see what happens.
Turn it over and turn on the tones to make this a big deal, and we're going to start sending out spotters. So all stations, please wait. We're going to turn on the net tones. If you don't hear me, that means you've got the wrong sub-audible. All stations, please wait.
Skywarn net starting at 15 hours, 34 minutes, Sunday, May 11.
Hi, this is K0GND Lincoln with the Skywarn net. We're going to start sending out spotters. As you know, it's getting really rugged up by York, and it appears to be creeping this direction. If you're available for spotting duty, check in now with your call sign only. This is K0GND. Be polite, check in slowly.
CP. K0NB. K0 IFC.
KD0ZNM. I could take 5-1. It's real close to me, if that's okay. Reynolds.
KD0ONM.
You've been through the training?
No, we usually put me with a pump and tank line.
Okay. Quick run around like pre-storm. If there's even a thing like that. Well, I don't know. Sun look purple. So we're getting a lot of rumbling thunder up there, but no lightning yet. Which is actually a good thing. But it is still pretty freaking humid out here. It's got to be at least 78, 80 degrees out here. And it's still pretty humid and kind of sticky out here. that one's intentional. I heard them just talk about, and then they're gonna sound up sirens again. So this one's actually legitimate, but there's still nothing there. So we can get a better spot.
Thank you. Be careful. K0GND. This is Skywarn.
Take a quick look here because they got this blocked off here.
Yes, I'm watching it. Still nothing defined as far as I can see. Just a lot of gray, but lightning is increasing and helping visibility. I may need to move locations a little bit. I have a fire truck now behind me with every light available on the truck flashing. KD0 VMI 12A.
Measured wind to 50 miles an hour. East-side hail, heavy rain, winds out of the north. Over. Alright, what's the intersection, Bruce, with 34? I can't see it through the rain. Alright, we'll just show you on Highway 34. Thanks, Bruce. W0DMS, K0GND.
K0GND, W0NWS.
NWS, correct?
Yeah, forecasters say spotters in the vicinity of Malcolm may need to be ready to take shelter imminently.
Understood. Spotters in the Malcolm area, be aware. K0K, K0GND, copy.
KT0K, roger. Wind right now out of the southwest at about 60 or higher. Pea-sized hail with occasionally bigger hail and still a lot of activity to the west. KT0K 14.
Understood. W0BCL, K0GND, same for you, look west.
W0BCL 15. Looks like we have a lowering, potential wall cloud. Can't see any rotation in it at the moment. The hail shafts expanding to my west, and it's getting closer. W0BCL 15.
Get
Station calling you.
K0C.
Yeah, see, right?
Direction of wall, possible wall cloud from 15.
Wait, Brian.
Almost directly to my west, maybe just slightly north of west. W0BCL 15. K0, I see 36.
IMC, right?
Yeah, this is KC
Lincoln right now.
Understood, thank you.
Right there.
And sorry, you should be
It's
on
about 20 minutes out.
Thank you, Rod. Appreciate you being there. Next WKHO-GND, got you.
I'm just telling you, you better get ready to take Jeffrey to the basement in the next 10 or 15 minutes.
I'm in front from my location. I'm half a mile north of 34 on the Garland Road.
You better.
All
I
right,
gotta
that's
go.
on Garland Road. Thank you.
I gotta talk to the police officer here.
Yes, 4-1 looking east, probably 4-3 looking northeast, or looking in the vicinity of 2-3 look south, looking in the vicinity of 6-7.5 block for a phone call in case you're going to see.
Understood. Star 2-3, keep it to BXA, they'll be to your southeast.
KD0 BTR on location 38.
Turn location.
Woo! Shaking the car a little bit here, huh?
Telephone poles that have
Here?
been snapped, not just at the top of the house,
Let's see if I can
on the poles. And so there are power lines that are down.
move that tree around a little bit.
That was your donor, and that was, I just spoke with him about
Got some
15 minutes ago. He is in that area. He's gonna try
good
to get
gusts
video, and I'll try and get
out of the north.
So that way we can share that with the rest of the viewers.
Didn't say anything about any injuries that he had
Wow.
heard about, which I'm going to consider good news and a positive thing at this point.
From what he had said, that there are police officials, also ambulances driving around, I think just checking on the residents to make sure that there are no injuries. But from what he had said, he didn't indicate that there weren't any injuries, just a lot of damage in that area.
All right.
Wiggling that
thank
street
you.
light
Thanks
around.
for everything you've done so far. Today
Oh,
we've got
there goes a garbage can.
warning coming out here.
Bye-bye garbage can. Da, 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 da. See it over there?
Like we might be adding a severe thunderstorm warning downstream from that particular cell over portions of Saunders County. So I'm going to walk over here and we're going to grab that and see if storm tracker radar will work. I'm going to give Brandon an opportunity to kind of zoom into this area, at least look at it. This is a good severe thunderstorm warning. This is for Douglas County, Douglas County, eastern Saunders, northwestern, Sarpsborg, northeast, County. So again, our severe thunderstorm warning calling down in states like this, northeastern Lancaster, northwestern Sarpsborg, eastern Saunders, and Douglas County, and that's in effect until 7:45. Severe thunderstorm located 15 or 25 miles north of Lincoln, moving to the northeast at 25 miles an hour. Again, as far as warnings go,
Move the car around a little bit.
severe weather threshold 60 miles per hour.
I think I should be out of here.
An awful lot of damage. So I'm not trying to minimize that, but as far as